Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Can you write down the day and the dates for today into your Maths 1 book? So for today's lesson, we are going to learn simultaneous equations. In this chapter, our learning objective will be to use substitution method and factorization in order to solve simultaneous equations. Alright, can you look at example number 1? We have 2x plus y equals to 5, xy over 4 equals to 1 over 2. So in order to solve question number 1, so first you bring over 2x to the other side. So you would have y equals to 5 minus 2x. Okay, second, you cross multiply the second equation. So you would have 2xy equals to 4, and you simplify, you divide all by 2. So you would get xy equals to 2. Now label the first equation and second equation. So we're going to substitute the first equation into the second equation. So by using substitution method, you're going to substitute the first equation into the second equation. So you would have x bracket 5 minus 2x equals to 2. You bring over and bring it over, cross and bring it over, and then you factorize. Make sure you write equals to 0 at the end. So you get two values of x, which is 1 over 2 or 2. And then you substitute back into the first equation to find the values of y. So there are two values of x and two values of y. Okay, second example, when you want to solve 2x plus y equals to 2, and the second equation would be 3 over 2x minus 2 over y equals to 1. First, bring over the 2x because it's easier. So you would have y equals to 2 minus 2x. Okay, for the second equation, I make my denominator the same. So I times y on the first fraction, I times 2x on the second fraction, and then I cross multiply. So this is my first equation, and this is my second equation, which is 3y minus 4x equals to 2xy. So now what I will do is I will substitute the first equation into the second equation. So by substituting the value, the expression into the second equation, I have that equation. Open the brackets and bring over the terms. Now you can simplify, divide all by 2. You get 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Factorize. So you would have two values of x, which is 1 over 2 or x equals to 3. But we're not finished yet. So what we'll do next is we're going to find the values of y by substituting the value of x into the first equation. So if x equals to 1 over 2, then your y will be 1. When x equals to 3, your y will be negative 4. So in conclusion, there are 5 important steps that we take in consideration when solving simultaneous equation. The first thing is always to express the easier variable, whether it could be y or x. The second step is to remove fraction by cross multiply and making denominator the same, so on. Substitute the equation into the other equation. Factorize, you can use calculator or normal method, and find the values of x and also the value of y. So that's it for today. I'm gonna give you some questions from Ilmu Bakti workbook. I chose 5 questions. So the questions will be here in the video. So I just want to address one issue. Because I couldn't make the Zoom application online teaching, because I know that some of you cannot be online at the same time, and some of you do not have phones with you, and some of you have like very limited data. So what we will do is we just stick to YouTube videos for the time being. Maybe next time if we have chance, or maybe we have the opportunity to do it online, we can do it together. But you have to let me know. Because the holiday will be longer this time, so please stay at home, please be safe, please listen to your parents and be good to each other. So I shall see you after this very long holiday. So I'll give you the answers as well if you need to refer. If you need help, just text below in the comment section, or you can send me a personal message. So I shall see you after holiday. So goodbye.